Who is Christ? The second aspect of the Godhead, the Trinity, is called Christ in English, but differently in other languages and cultures. He is the highest among the archangels, and he attained divinity. By that we mean having the will, the power, the authority, the desire to create, sustain, and dissolve creation. One of the characteristics when we talk about divinity. Christ operates consciously in the second division of the world of God. Functionally, he operates in the unifying world of life spirit and does not go any lower. Since Christ was once part of the archangelic class, he ever had the desire body and could build it. But he does not use it at all because it is too low for him. The desire body is too low for Christ to use. So ordinarily, he does not use it. He uses the life spirit as the lowest. Christ is above the desire body. In specific terms, Christ preserves creation by giving love, light, and life to all things. How about the Father? Before the archangelic class started their journey to become like God, they were the lords of mind, the highest among them being the Father. The Father operates consciously in the first and the highest division of the world of God. His lowest operational body is in the world of divine spirit, and the world of divine spirit is higher than the world of life spirit. The Father attained divinity and called out creation. Creation was called out by the Father. And the Father is also responsible for dissolution of creation. All things begins with the Father and ends with the Father. How about Jehovah or the Holy Spirit? The angelic class, the class of angels, they started their journey to become godlike before humanity was differentiated in God. So before humanity, there were others. And after humanity, there will be others. The highest among them, the highest among the class of angels is Jehovah, who consciously operates in the third division of the world of God. His lowest operational area is the world of thought, in the region of abstract thought, where ideas originate, and also separateness, division begins. In the world of life spirit, there is nothing like separateness, and that is the lowest home for the Christ. Being part of the angelic class, Jehovah ever had the etheric body and could build it, but does not function in it. Ordinarily, Jehovah, as God, never functions in the etheric body. He is responsible for physical creation or dense matter. All dense matters that we see, they are all the handiwork of Jehovah. To summarize, 1. The Father is the highest among his class to attain divinity. His mates are the lords of mind. 2. The Son of Christ is the highest among his class to attain divinity. His mates are the archangels. 3. Jehovah is the highest among his class to attain divinity. His mates are the angels. They together are in charge of the divine spirit, life spirit, and human spirit aspects of all of us, humanity, and overall evolution of humanity. They are in charge. Let's look at the material counterparts of the threefold spirit: the divine spirit, the life spirit, and the human spirit. The counterpart of the divine spirit is the dense body. This dense body, that is the counterpart in the material world of the divine spirit. The counterpart of the life spirit is the vital body. That of the human spirit is the desire body. The mind, We keep repeating this because it is very essential. The mind is the link between the threefold spirit and the threefold body. We extract the threefold soul from the use of the threefold body. The threefold soul then enhances the consciousness of the threefold spirit. That is how we develop spirituality. Talking about spirituality, that is the extract from the use of our material bodies. The laws of mind, the archangels, and the angels, among others, are the hosts in charge of the transformation of the material bodies of humanity. They are helping mankind to develop these bodies and transform them spiritually in the journey through matter to become godlike at the end. The coming of Christ is a big push, especially to the spiritual development of humanity. And let us look at the illustration. Of course, spiritual things are beyond the three-dimensional world. So this illustration only conveys an idea about the intention. You can see in the illustration that all the worlds we have are more or less static and built one after the other. But in reality, it's never like that. They are all interwoven, but some vibrate more than others. So this is to remind us that this illustration, as good as it is, does not convey understanding beyond the three-dimensional world. It's limited to it.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this shit.